Welcome to the series of seminar video tutorials by Dr. Rijk Geert Hummer, MD, and MA in Theology. My name is Helmut Pilhar. I am the father of Olivia, and Dr. Hummer's appointed lecturer on Germanische Heilkunde theory. Because of my personal destiny with my daughter Olivia, I have made it my task to bring you, dear friend, closer to the Germanische Heilkunde. I have been following this duty since 1995. In general, I am considered to be a Hummer loyalist. I do not want to skip or conceal anything important in my explanations, and I also do not want to add or reinterpret anything. I intend to pass this information to you, as well as I received it from Dr. Hummer. In this introduction to Germanische Heilkunde, I hope to captivate and inspire you to never let go of it. The intended goal in Germanische Heilkunde is always the spontaneous healing, which cost nothing and have no side effects. For this to happen, the patient must be able to play his or her primary role. Ignorance, as well known, does not protect against a law of nature. Both the patient and the therapist must understand these biological correlations. The objective of this chapter is to make it easier for anyone interested to get started learning this topic in this 2-hour seminar video.